Recently at Florida's Cape Canaveral, scientists and the mission crew tucked NASA's Perseverance rover inside the nose of the Mars 2020 spacecraft for a rescheduled launch. Project scientist Kenneth Farley.
There have been a number of technical issues getting the rocket together. Spacecraft is all ready to go, and as recently as a couple of days ago, the spacecraft was bolted on top of the rocket.
Scientists are now conducting final tests on the craft and its booster.
One of the hard things about launching rockets is you have to get everything packaged just right into the spacecraft. So the delay is not because of anything with the rover, but it's just a matter of packaging the rover within that rocket and making sure then that rocket is ready for launch.
NASA's Bethany Ehlman says the agency remains upbeat about the mission's 2-week window after issues with the rocket scrapped the original launch.
Typically what happens is the launch goes the first day if all conditions on the vehicle are green and the weather is good. The window is to allow for bad weather, for other things to happen, for contingency. So we're pretty optimistic that we're going to get off the ground.
But if it's not launched by mid-August, the mission will have to wait until Earth and Mars return to proper alignment in 2022. The delay alone could cost about $500 million. The U.S., China, and UAE are sending unmanned spacecraft to Mars beginning this week, continuing the search for signs of ancient life on the planet. In another development following recent appearances above Italy, France, and the United States, the comet C2020F3, known as Neowise, blazed a path over Northern Ireland. NASA calls it a natural firework, and Neowise should be visible after sunset until mid-August. Arash Arabasadi, VOA News, Washington.